Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be unboxing my Archer and Olive quarterly sub box. It got a little damaged. Nothing inside is damaged, but the box is damaged, and I usually like to keep the boxes, but I don't know, that's not going to look so great. And there's nothing on the inside because they put it on the outside this time, and that did come, I don't know if I can get it on camera. It did come all the way through the box. So that was upsetting, to say the least. So we have a lot of goodies in here. I'm going to get them out of the box, and then we're going to look at them. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it all out of the box. So we're going to start with the most breakable thing first, because I want to get it away from me and, you know, my penchant for breaking things. So this is the Cozy Cafe mug. This was one of the first things that they leaked in terms of spoilers. So here's the outside of the mug, which is, like, beautiful. It reminds me of stuff my grandmother had on display that we were never allowed to touch. And then the inside is really, really, really pretty. So you can use this to drink with. I think, yeah, hand wash only, so don't put it in your, there we go. Don't put it in your dishwasher. The foam does come out of the box, so you could reuse the box for something else. Yeah, well, alright, so the foam in the top is held in with a glue dot, so you just have to yank that off, and then you have this nice size box you could store things in. But yeah, that's really pretty. I haven't decided, I think I'm just gonna, there's a piece of foam in it. I don't know, this might have to go behind glass where I can't damage it. We'll see. It also might end up in my office, which got broken into today, but nothing was taken, so that's good. It's just a very bizarre morning. Very bizarre. Okay, let's put you right here. Oops. Okay, I shouldn't be able to damage it there. Alright, and now we got washi tape, because we always get washi tape. These are pretty. Alright, so we've got this floral, which seems to be the main theme of the box so far. There's all these florals, and that's really quite pretty. And then we've got this blue one that goes vertically. I think this is like the second or third sub box where they've got vertical washi. I don't understand why this is a thing now, but hey, okay. So it would repeat from sign to sign. So you got your sign, you got your cup of coffee, your coffee shop, more what looks like lattes, and then you're back to your sign again. And then we've got a stripe. Very basic, very pretty stripe. And now we've got another one that goes vertical. I mean, I suppose you could do it sideways. I mean, you could do that sideways. But I think it probably looks better this way. And it looks like the art on the top of the lattes. So that's cute. And of course the smaller one doesn't want to rip. The rest of them were fine. Okay. And that is in the green floral box. We can get it to focus. Maybe. It's the only green one in here, from what I can tell. Well, no, and the mug. Alright, so now we've got like this kind of mauve-y color, and this says it is a set of mechanical pencils. It's got a ribbon pull, and a ribbon holding them in. We've got plastic that we don't want. Okay, they're unscrewed. Let's re-screw it back in. Okay, so you push this and you get your, like, it looks like it's going to be a ballpoint pen, and then you get the lead. There we go. So that's the blue floral. Then we've got the pink one. And they both say Archer and Olive on the, there we go, on there. I never know what to call this. Clip? Something? I don't know. It's off, and it scratched the enamel because it was off. Fixed it. That one's okay. I always get the damaged stuff. That's okay. Alright, mechanical pencils. Now we got gel pens, which I was kind of surprised to see. I think I've gotten too accustomed to getting acrylographs or calligraphs in every single box. So the lids are pretty. And they come on this piece of cardboard. And there are no names, so we're going to have to figure that out. Now, there's like color and then there's gel down. Like, am I supposed to shake this or... I have no idea. Let's see if they write. Do I have that I can write on? Okay. Actually, I write quite well. And there's no wax cap on the top of these. Kind of liking these. I was hoping this is a matte gray. Now, is this a matte gray? That looks more matte gray than silver, I think. But I like those. Nice muted colors. They all go together. I think that's really good. And there are 5 of them. I have all the other gel pens they've put out too. Okay, so that's our gel pens. The scissors. Oh, nice box. It's magnetic. It only opens to here though, which is a little weird, but okay. And they are set very well into their foam and do not want to come out. It's rude. Come say hello to everyone. There we go. Okay. They're nice. There's a decent weight to them. They're not particularly heavy. I could see if you hold them like this, you would think like the handles were particularly heavy, but really they're not. And then it's got the Archer and Olive logo right there. These are cool. I like these. I don't want to ever put them back in that box though, because it will never come out again. So now my wonder is, does the foam come out like in the other box? Like, can I use this for something else? Nope, you destroy the bottom of the box. So that's a shame. That's a missed opportunity. That could have been cool. Oh well. But yeah, I'm not putting them back in there because I'll never get them out again. They can go with the new scissors that I just bought off Amazon because I forgot that these were in my living room in a box. But aren't they cute? Alright, we're amassing quite the scissor collection here. Alright, we're gonna get rid of that box. We're gonna get rid of this piece of cardboard. Moving on. Okay, lots of people complained about this. This is a decorative pen storage tin. It tells you right on the front that it's a decorative pen storage tin, right? there's people online who got this box and are complaining that when they realized it didn't have any tea in it, they threw it away. Why would you do that? It told you what it was, right on the box. Decorative pen storage tin. Your desk just got a lot more fun. So, it is a fake tea tin. Now, if you really want, you could, line this with some wax paper or some parchment paper or something, because I don't know what it's made out of, and I don't know if it's food grade. I suspect it's not, but you never know. And you could fill it with loose leaf tea if you felt that strongly about it, or tea bags, or whatever. But this is meant to hold pens. So you put your pens in. Let's grab some pens. Just grab a handful from over here. You put your pens in. You put your lid on. If you have like that favorite pen at work and you have to keep buying them over and over again because some specific coworker or your boss or somebody's always walking off with them, this is a good place to hide them. So that's what this is. This is meant for pen storage. It is not meant to have tea in it to go with the mug. That's not what it was for. Not what it was intended for. It was intended to be pen storage. So I'm sorry folks are disappointed, and they were hoping that Archer and Olive was suddenly selling tea. They're not. It's just storage. It's really kind of silly to throw something away that you just spent $90 on. Not the one item, but the box itself, because you didn't read the clearly printed box. I don't know. So, I will definitely be using this. Okay, put that over there. Alright, now we've got a collaging set in a very pretty vellum envelope, which contains, I don't really know what collaging set means. I mean, I know what's in here, I just don't understand the term. Alright, we're going to have to take it out in pieces. It does not want to come out together. Is everything? That's everything. Okay, so we have 2 sheets here of stickers, and you could use the backing paper for something if you wanted to, because the whole thing is a sticker sheet. So if you like the purple stripe, you could use it for something, unless you messed it up like I did. So that's them, and it is, of course, as it always is with Archer and Olive, 2 of exactly the same sheets of stickers. And then we've got very nice, very thick vellum paper with this floral design that we've been seeing on everything. So we've got 2 sheets in blue, 2 sheets in the pink, 2 sheets in the white, and 2 sheets in tan. But this tan seems a lot lighter. It seems a lot lighter, right? I mean, I get it. I get what they're going for. It just seems a lot lighter. So that's what's in here. So it is better than the bizarre scrapbooking paper that they seem to be putting in the monthly kits. Not sure I love it, but I will definitely use it because I love the flowers. I just don't. This chair is still like slidey. Like the seat is like some kind of fake leather. When you slide around on it, it makes noise. It upsets me. But it's more comfortable than the old chair, so you gotta take your wins where you can get them. Alright, so we now have 2 albums. Let's see what's in here. Let's use our new scissors to open these. So, do love journals. As we know, because I have tons of them. Okay, let's see. This plastic. Really? Okay. Oh. See, now this is pretty. I like this. Oh, this is nice. This is a linen cover, but it's like really smooth. That's nice. It's almost like canvas. I don't know how to describe this really. It's very smooth, like fabric or canvas or something. And the design goes all the way around because it can. And we have our matching band, and the loops are always black. I don't know. Okay, we've got our nameplate. And then we've got 192, 160 GSM pages, bright white. The binding crack, which is good. There they are. Our bookmarks. So we've got that nice light pink color and the gold ampersand. Very nice journal. Very, very nice journal. Now, you guys can like hear me rethinking choices I've already made in my head, right? Now I'm wondering if I shouldn't go with that one. Now this one upset me greatly. So you guys know how much I love square journals, because I love to use them for my reading journal, because that's the size that I learned about reading journals with. And it makes perfect sense to me, and I understand how to lay them out. Therefore, I went with that. Box is beautiful. The journal is beautiful. It is not shiny. There's no gold embossment. This is just like a matte darker gray than what is on here. Maybe it's a light black, like a charcoal. And this is also a linen cover. It feels different than the usual linen, but not smooth like the other journal. Here's the spine, matching band, black pen loop, usual gusseted pocket. If I didn't mention it in the other one, it was there too. And how many pages are you? 160 pages, 160 GSM paper, nameplate page. Wait for it. It's lined. Lined. Now, I understand that, you know, most journals used to be lined all the time, and then dot grid became popular. I don't want this lined. I wanted it to be dot grid. So we got the pretty light green and that. So I'm not sure what to do about this, because I'm greatly distressed. Mark from Men Who Bullet wasn't very happy about this either. I was hoping somehow magically mine would come without lines, but nope. So, I mean, I could just let it sit in the collection until I think of something better to do with it, or I could make this like my journal until I run out of pages, instead of writing in a horizontal happy planner. This is certainly a better writing experience than writing in a horizontal happy planner, although I can't take pages out, move them or rearrange them or add it. But I suppose, all things considered, it's not the worst use of a journal. So yeah, so this is the December sub box. I am now anxiously awaiting the March sub box. And the mug is not here because I put it over there where it's safe, and I'm not messing with it because I'll break it. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.